I want to take a couple of minutes to look at how we can vary sentence structure in order to improve flow. If we look at an example of an original sentence from a student's writing, we'll see that there's a bit of choppiness here, and you'll notice that the sentences tend to be short, simple sentences and somewhat repetitive in terms of their structure. So let's have a look. And we see here, Holden is searching for direction and stability in his life. Holden finds both of these things. Holden is searching for a place to call his own. So immediately what I hope you'll see is that each of these sentences begins with the same subject, Holden, Holden, and Holden. And then we have Holden is searching, Holden finds. And I think there's a way to bring these sentences together and create some complexity at the same time varying the flow. So let's give it a shot. And I think the first thing that we can do is take this original sentence and turn it into a dependent clause instead of an independent clause that stands by itself. So we'll just copy and paste, bring it down here, and we'll add the word after searching for, get rid of Holden is, and just say after searching for direction and stability in his life. And then we'll keep Holden as the subject of the sentence. And I think we can take this idea that he finds both of these things after his search. So we copy, we bring this idea down here. And then we also want to add on this notion of his searching for a place to call his own, because that is a separate idea, separate from this idea of his finding direction and stability. So we'll add on and say, in addition, and then we can just take this idea that Holden is searching for a place to call his own, bring it down here. And now, if we look back over the sentences, what we've done is we've created one complex sentence with a dependent clause followed by an independent clause and then followed by another simple sentence or just an independent clause that stands on its own. So there's some variety in the structures and hopefully there's a better sense of flow. Let's go back and read over the revision. We'll get rid of this bold font here and see if the whole thing sticks together or hangs together smoothly. So let's give it a read. After searching for direction and stability in his life, Holden finds both of these things. In addition, Holden is searching for a place to call his own. So I like it. I think there's the variety we were looking for. There's a sense of flow aided by this transition and also just the sentence structures as they stand. So I think we're done.